Look at the size of this. Oh, big.
Hey, Emily, is it? Good, good.
There, I didn't see you pass me, so
Yeah, just get very messy up here. No problem, I'll have a seat there. That time of the morning. Which terminal are you heading to? Right, okay. Yeah. Now, there you go.
I added 4 euro there.
Ah, cheers. Thanks, Emil. Yeah, appreciate it. Thanks, Emil. Have a good one, yeah? Thanks. Another trip done to the airport. Yeah. We just got home. Right now, gonna eat. How are you, buddy? Whoa.
Look at the size of this. Oh,
That is heavy. Oh my god. Ah!
we have. Look at that. I open the door for 2 seconds.
I gotta clean this up. Hold on now, just a second, boy. We're just pissing, lashing hailstones. Now we got. Look at this. In what world is this normal? And now it's clear blue skies.